Good education is the foundation for a better future. Mount Literacy School is a progressive network of K-12 schools with branches in India focusing on the quality education, values, innovation and holistic development of students for a global future. Today, our facilitators will take you through our unique offerings of Mount Literacy School.
At Mount Litera, our English readiness program boosts linguistic skills like listening, speaking, reading, and comprehension. It sharpens linguistic intelligence, caters to diverse learners, and builds life skills. We empower our literans for success.
हिंदी रेडिनेस प्रोग्राम के अंतर्गत बोलना, पढ़ना, लिखना आदि कौशलों का विकास करते हैं। इन तीनों कौशलों के माध्यम से हम बेहतर संचार, अच्छी सोच और जीवन में सफलता की ओर बढ़ते हैं।
Liternova app brings learning to life. It offers CBSE-aligned learning with videos, simulation, and AI support. It also helps students to learn faster, practice more, and improve their knowledge.
Exploring the world one map at a time. Our Vihang programs, fun with social science session, is where curiosity meets creativity. Join us as we develop map skills, understand our land, and uncover cause and effect relationships.
We nurture curiosity and scientific thinking above the beyond. Through Fun with Science, children explore, experiment, and learn new things by using simple material at home. Vihang, we believe that learning should be joyful and meaningful.
Financial Literacy Program, it is a specialized co-scholastics initiative which is introduced in Mount Literacy School. It is designed to teach students essential financial literacy skills, helping them understand money, saving, and the concept of economics.
Digital Citizenship Program aims at teaching our students to use the technology in a responsible and safe and we can say in a ethical manner. Our students are well trained and guided well to handle internet, social media platforms and other digital platforms.
BMBI, bite-sized modules, big time impact. 15 teased focused modules to cultivate positive habits and skills, micro modules designed for easy implementation, flexible, engageable and adaptable for new learners.
Meditation, which increase and concentration and focus, enhance positive mindset, clear the negative thoughts and promote emotional balance and calmness.
Punctuation adds silent intonation, enhancing the flow of writing, brings clarity and precision of communication, ensure ideas are communicated clearly.
संस्कार प्रोग्राम सभी के लिए श्रद्धा के सिद्धांत पर आधारित है। इसे 64 मूल्य आधारित विषयों पर विकसित किया गया है जो विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में कार्य करते हैं, जीवन के समग्र दृष्टिकोण को बढ़ावा देते हैं और सहयोग करते हैं।
Mental maths apply to real life situation, boost the confidence of the students. Regular practice of mental maths sharpens the mind.
Skill Builder is a program that equips students to shape a sustainable future while fostering critical and analytical thinking skills, problem solving habits and collaboration in real life situations.
Litera Gantavya, chart your path to success. We provide career counseling session by top national and international universities. Come and fuel your dreams with knowledge.